Iowa has some of the cheapest car insurance in the country. But here's what most people don't realize. The state minimum of $15,000 in property damage won't cover the average car sitting in your driveway right now. And that's before we talk about deer season. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what Iowa requires, why it's not enough, and what coverage actually makes sense for Iowa's specific risks. Iowa's minimum is 20,000 per person bodily injury and 15,000 property damage. That sounds reasonable until you need it. Average hospital admission in Iowa runs 15 to 25,000. A serious injury, 100,000 or more. Your 20K is gone before the stay ends. And the property damage, the average used car in Iowa is 25,000. Most new cars are 48,000 or higher. Your 15,000 doesn't touch it. Iowa doesn't require uninsured motorist coverage. Sounds fine until you remember about 10 to 12% of Iowa drivers have no insurance at all. That means 1 in 10 people on the road could hit you and leave you with nothing. No coverage for your injuries, no coverage for your car. I see this all the time in my agency. Someone gets hit by an uninsured driver, and suddenly their liability coverage doesn't help them one bit. This is the big one. Iowa ranks in the top 5 states for deer collisions. State Farm puts it at 1 in 55 chance you hit a deer every year, roughly twice the national average. Here's what matters. Deer hits are covered by comprehensive, not collision. If you're carrying liability only to save money, a deer strike that totals your vehicle comes straight out of your pocket. In my experience here in Minnesota and looking at our Iowa clients, this is the claim that surprises people most. The mistake I see all the time is someone carrying liability only because the minimum is cheap. Then a deer totals their $7,000 car in October, or they hit someone, medical bills run 80,000 and their 20,000 limit covers maybe a quarter of it. Minimum coverage in Iowa is a financial trap. Call us right now at